Okay, let's dive into a common industrial headache and its cool modern solution.
What if you could blast away tough industrial gunk with just a beam of light?
So what's the problem? It's something called mill scale. That bluish-black layer on new steel? Yep, that's it.
And you can't just leave it on. It totally messes with welding, painting, basically your final product's quality.
The old ways of cleaning it off, they're messy, dangerous, and honestly, just pretty inefficient.
It's really time for an upgrade from these old-school, problematic methods.
And that upgrade is laser cleaning. It works through a really cool process called laser ablation.
Basically, it cleans with light, no harsh chemicals, no abrasives. It just zaps the bad stuff off.
And when you actually compare them side by side, wow, the advantages of laser cleaning are super obvious.
Plus, it's a huge win for the environment. No chemicals, less waste, it's just a cleaner process all around.
And get this, the precision is incredible. It only targets the scale, leaving the metal underneath perfect.
Now, this isn't some futuristic idea. This tech is already out there, proven in some really demanding fields.
Think auto manufacturing, aerospace, even shipbuilding. Laser cleaning is boosting quality and efficiency right now.
Don't just take my word for it. Folks in the industry are calling it a total game changer for paint quality.
And it's not just about quality. Their ships last longer, and importantly, their workers are safer.
How about this for a number? We're talking a waste reduction of over 95% compared to sandblasting.
So the takeaway is simple. It offers better precision, saves money, and it's safer and greener. Which leads to the final question. Is your business ready to step into the future of industrial cleaning?